What's up, guys? Welcome back for another one. Today we got a real quick one here. We got another product here from KemiMoto that they sent us. This time it's a cup holder for your handlebars here, so we'll open it up real quick and take a good look at this. Those of you who watched some previous videos, I do have the passenger pegs from KemiMoto on my 2022 Street Bob. I'm happy with those. They've held up so far, so good. Good quality, no complaints. Getting into the cup holder itself, what you'll find is a real nice piece of chrome here with some rubber teeth here to secure smaller bottles and cups, and a nice pouch down here made of leather with a woven pattern. Now, it is a woven pattern, not actually woven leather, but I do believe this is real leather. It feels like real leather. Also has a little hole at the bottom in case it rains, and just allows water, or you spill your drink, whatever, allows water to drain out. Those of you familiar with the ram mount systems will be familiar with this as well. This is something similar. So on the cup itself, this bolt comes out and this piece comes up, allowing a socket to go inside, to which you tighten it back up, and that's your mount. So again, first impressions, real nice piece of chrome. Everything seems to be made with good quality. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Instructions, my favorite. And you also get the mounting hardware. So this is the ball mount that I was talking to you about. It's got a bolt here, just clamps on your bars, whether it be your handlebars or if you have a creative place to mount that. It goes from 1 inch to 1/8 to 1 1/4 inches, I believe, are the three sizes that this mount will fit. So if you have any of those, there's a plus. And I think if you read the instructions, they recommend like 10-inch bars or higher, so the cup holder doesn't hit the gas tank or something like that. Take a look. I'll leave a description down below and make sure this works for your bike if you are interested in this product. So going back to the mount, it is hinged. It is fluted on the inside for the rubber spacers to fit in there to customize it for the size of your bar. So again, the chrome looks nice. So far everything looks like a nice and sturdy piece here. You do get the Allen wrench. This is the only thing you're gonna need to install this. So again, this will be a real easy install. And you'll get 2 pairs of these, and if you see here, they are ribbed, and those ribs fit in the slots of the ball mount itself. So depending on the size bars, you just swap out. Again, you get a couple of those, and if you have the largest bars it takes, you do have this rubber strip that'll just fit in there. That's my guess. So now this is made of chrome, and if you know my bikes, I don't have any chrome on my bike, but I think I do know somebody who could use this and match their bike pretty nicely. All right, so we've decided to put it here on this beautiful 22 Harley Davidson Heritage. So I've got the proper rubber fittings in here for the size of the handlebar. Probably do it the other way, make the bolt accessible. And I think we agreed right about there. And that'll give her enough room to see through the windshield and stuff. There is a tiny washer. Make sure you use that. Then with the same Allen key, you're just gonna loosen this bolt. Just enough to get it over that ball socket. That should be good there. That should extend the cup right above the top clamp here of the bars. So we'll just tighten it down as much as we can. And that's it. So put a cup in here, we'll take it for a ride. We'll find out if this is a good position. If not, we've got plenty of options. This thing is pretty flexible, and we'll let you know what you think.